Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable dark mode in MS Office. First things first, regardless of which you open it, has similar settings. Just open either Excel, Word, or PPT workbook on your Mac, laptop, or PC. Then, observe the top ribbon, menus, and other elements. So, in this tutorial, we'll enable dark mode to transform the interface. To do this, just click on the File menu located in the top left corner of your Excel. Then just select Options from the drop-down menu. And here in the Excel Options window, just look for the Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office section. Then, locate the Office theme drop-down menu. Then by default, it may be set to colorful. Change the theme by selecting your preference, and options include colorful, dark gray, black, white, and etc. As you select different themes, just observe the real-time changes in the Excel interface. For dark mode, just choose the black theme and notice how the ribbons and menus transform into a dark color scheme. After selecting the desired theme, just click OK to apply the changes. Then lastly, just go back to your Excel workbook and witness the applied theme. In this case, dark mode should now be active. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.